Hair loss is a common concern among many men, but it doesn't have to be a losing battle. Rosemary oil, with its revitalizing properties, can help stimulate hair growth and improve the health of your scalp. Rosemary oil is known for its blood circulation stimulating properties, which improves the nutrition of the hair follicles. Plus, its antimicrobial and antioxidant properties help keep your scalp healthy by fighting infections and reducing dandruff. There are several ways to apply rosemary oil for hair benefits. A simple way is to add a few drops of the oil to your shampoo or conditioner, which will allow you to enjoy the benefits during your daily hair care ritual. Another option is to dilute a few drops of rosemary oil in a carrier oil such as coconut or jojoba oil and gently massage this mixture into your scalp. This massage increases blood flow, stimulates hair follicles, and promotes healthier hair growth. You can also create homemade hair masks by combining rosemary oil with ingredients like aloe vera, coconut oil, or avocado. These masks deeply nourish the hair and scalp, helping to strengthen strands and encourage healthy growth. Now that you know the benefits of rosemary oil and how to use it to stimulate hair growth in men, it's time to give it a try and enjoy its benefits. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more natural hair care tips. To the next.